Alright, hi, welcome to my first Touken Ranbu smithing session. So anyways, I haven't played this game in a long time, but a new sword got released and it's a smithing event, meaning you can only get him by smithing, and it's a new Naginata and I want him, and I'm trying to figure out how do I get to the smithing screen again. So, SHIZUKAGata is looking real nice there, and he needs some pants. Or not, I mean he can wear whatever the fuck he wants. I looked up online some recipes people have gotten him from, so hopefully my researchers also are good enough for this. 760 maybe? I don't actually know. Does it go like this? I don't remember the order anymore. Okay, never mind, yes I got it. It was this one and this one and then this one and then this one. I will probably edit so you can understand what I mean. Anyway, 760 over here too. Here we go. Let's start this meeting. Also, I seem to have some Ofuda thing. I don't remember anymore what they are called. I mean, let's use the turtle one, I guess. I mean, I don't care. I don't know where else I would use this thing. So, you know, there we go. So we want to see the 5-hour thing, I think. That's normal for Naginatas, and we can get him. Alright then. Let's try another time. Let's do it. Both are uchi katanas. Alright then. Oh, yes, do this one. Just gonna quickly get them out of the way. Done. I have him. I don't remember his name. Sorry. Yeah. I should know his name though. God. Alright then. Next. Ah, I love him a lot. I love him, his little brother. Anyways, let's just waste all my Ofuda things with this recipe to start things off and crying. Oh. Well, What sort is it if it's 4 hours? Interesting. Alright then. It's not uchi katana. Oh wait, are there some uchi katanas that have 4-hour mark? Also I keep clicking no instead of yes. Oh boy. Okay. So this is an uchi katana. I like this guy a lot, actually. But I'm gonna freaking destroy them. Alright. And... What?! Mikazuki! Hold on. Hold on. The hell? Alright then. I didn't actually have him. Holy shit. Alright.